beard growth kits. There are 125 million views on TikTok alone for this particular category. 125 million views on TikTok alone. That's a lot of freaking views. I mean, the other one, the eyelash one, was insane, but this is, I think, a very, very interesting one. So I went and looked over at Amazon, and again, I just did Amazon.com, but this is beard growth kit. This is the search volume, 121,000 searches a month, according to Helium 10, 2 million a month, according to Helium 10, on page 1 of Amazon on Amazon.com, as far as money that's available in this particular niche. Very, very cool. And there's a couple of people who I thought were doing it quite well that I will share with you. Is this Full Light Tech? I like this because they've got this complete kit. Let's just turn that off. They've got this mad complete kit, like bundling up a whole heap of different things together. I think they've done that really, really well. I can share all this again with you if you want to. Like, I think that that bundle is very, very smart. Okay. And clearly we can't argue with the number of ratings they've got. I do, however, think that there are some easy wins for their brand. If I was consulting to this brand, there's some easy wins for it, not least of which the fact that their images are extremely difficult to read on mobile. And I would certainly think, anyway, that the majority of their marketplace would be under 25, 27. What do you guys reckon of that? That's a fair assumption. I certainly felt like marketplace would be under 25, 27. And as a result of that, we know already that that particular demographic, they do heaps and heaps of shopping on their mobile phones. They use an Amazon mobile app. And so that image, whilst it looks okay when it's nice and big on my big freaking computer screen, when that is little teeny tiny little thing on a mobile, it might not look so good. Anyway, so I think there's quite a few different things they could do to enhance their brand as a result of that. But still, you know, you can't argue with the number of ratings that this thing's got. According to Helium 10, this is like $100,000 a year, sorry, a month for this one thing. Okay. And again, I think there's a lot of things they've done okay, like this. I like this, but there's a lot that they haven't done well, which I think you could easily go and kick their ass with. The other one that I really thought was a different kind of way to approach this was with Whatner, which is an awful brand name. But they've kind of gone for a different approach to that. So they've got argan oil, tea tree. And again, look how small this is. Imagine trying to read that on a mobile. Like, that's horrible. But again, you can't argue with 3,600 ratings. You can't argue with those kind of numbers either. So, you know, what the fuck do I know? All I can see, though, there's opportunities where you could absolutely make it a better buying experience for your customers. That much is clear. So it's almost like they're successful in spite of them doing some dumb things on their Amazon listing, which is opportunity every single time. Anyway, what the hell is that image? That's a cool image to use, the instructions for use and a gift idea. But does a dude really want to get a beard growth kit as a gift? I don't know that he does. It's like, oh, you need to, because that's almost like getting breath fresheners as a gift, yeah, or antiperspirant deodorant as a gift. It's like, hey, Stinky, you need this. Hey, dude without your beard, you need this. So I'm not quite sure if this is a good gift giving product. Maybe it is. That was a video from my regular Monday night session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of e-commerce professionals right around the world, making sales on Amazon, on eBay, on Shopify, all sorts of different places, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. There's 2,500 members and growing. We're actually the fastest growing community of e-commerce professionals in Australia right now. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and also come and join us, of course, then get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.